Hi friends, this is Sanit More, the founder of Sanis.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect the MI earbuds to the smartphone. Or this is the same process which can be used for any of the Bluetooth devices. So let's get right into the video. I know that the title says how to connect MI True Wireless Earphones 2C to Android phone. But the process of connecting to all the Bluetooth earphones or devices is going to be similar. The device that you see in this video article is my recently bought MI Bluetooth wireless earbuds. So as you can see that the earbuds have come with a beautiful case that protects as well as charges the earbuds. To connect or pair them with your Android smart device, just open the top lid which will enable Bluetooth of the earbuds, then switch on the Bluetooth in your smartphone and search for your earbud model name. Once found, click on it, and when asked for pairing, click yes. That's it. The pairing is done. You have successfully connected the Bluetooth earphones with your smart device. Now whenever you connect it the next time, the connection will be established faster than you blink your eyelids. This is the same process to connect whatever Bluetooth device you want to, like speakers, mouse, keyboard, etc. The MI earbuds that I'm using in this video article only gets connected to one device, so in order to connect it to different device, I have to do this process every time. If your earbuds support multiple devices, this is just going to be a one-time process. If you are interested in watching the full review of this MI earbuds, then I have provided the link in the description box below. You can click it and go straight to that video. So I hope you liked this video. So see you in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye.